convincing that it's not drones.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, we should talk about that a little bit. Like, why are things designated drones to begin with a lot of these Navy encounters and over Guam, let's say, where they were over THAAD missile silos, which I think it's fair for me to say now. I gave that story to Tyler Rogoway. I'm okay saying that now. So here's the deal. The drone designation is something that is done out of convenience. It is something that is done. We can move on, look the other way, keep going, right? Now, we do have problems with drones. Funny things, like overseas, people will go to bars and get tourists to come and fly drones over sensitive military installations just for fun. We do have a problem with drones. Everything Lou Elizondo said in that statement is absolutely correct. And I'll tell you something. Because I care about national security, George and I did omit some language that we heard in some of the footage we have, right? So there are capabilities to annihilate drones, and not in this instance, but in one almost identical. The drone deterrent technology was deployed and ineffective. And George and I will be reporting on that later. So, the idea of shooting them down. So why didn't they shoot them down? Like in this particular instance, there's a kind of a triangle you use of intelligence that allows you to take kinetic action, as they say, to like go against these things. And that those three aspects were not met for this encounter. I will say also this, the object above each of the ships wasn't bigger. It wasn't like some mother launched vehicle. It was same visual identification, no sound, no one saw propellers, nothing like that. It wasn't different. It was like observational. I don't know. But multiple ships in the vicinity within 100-mile radius on radio, you can hear they were all experiencing similar, not exact, but similar types of UAP encounters. Not a single drone was recovered, not a single piece of wreckage, not a crash, no landing, no takeoff. If this is a foreign nation, we're in big trouble. If it's our nation, also big trouble, because the high-ranking individual, the top of the Navy, when it goes all the way up, is unaware of who were flying these and what the intent was. So I hope that kind of answers your question to some